Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Guys, once again, I'm talking about Vechain price update. Vechain are now going positive in the market, and I'm feeling very good about Vechain, guys. Now, here, if you study the price chart of Vechain, so you can see here that last 1 hour update is about positive 0.27%. Last one day chain is about positive 13.88%, guys. So the changes of Vechain are going very good in the market, guys. I'm very happy today, guys. Anyways, guys, now here if we talk about the last 1 week change, so the last 1 week change is about negative 15.69%. You know what, guys, in the previous time Vechain price very repeatedly decreased, very repeatedly dump, but in a right now situation, now they were in the pumping mood. You know what, I also predicted Vechain that tomorrow the price of Vechain will pump in my previous videos. So guys, you know what, why now it is time the Vechain price pump? Due to the last half month, guys. It is the last half month, so not only Vechain, a lot of all coin are now going positive, guys. Let me show you the price chart of Vechain. You can see here, guys, completely now they are going straight to the moon, guys. Now Vechain are going to the moon. Not only Vechain, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Smooth Low portion, a lot of coin are now going positive in the market, guys. So all coin is in a right now situation is profitable, guys. Same like that you can see 13% positive changes. That's really good changes. Anyways, what you think about Vechain, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.